Alright, welcome. This is the homework solution for week 15. This is Thursday, November 15th, 2018. Solutions. We have four linear equations here, and they asked us to write the linear equation based on the graph. Alright, so I have the first one displayed. Remember, we need the equation. For us to get the equation, we need the slope, and we need the y-intercept. Alright, so, step one. Find the two dots that make the line. So I'm going to get the first dot right there, and I'm going to put the second dot right there because they're right at the intersection. Okay? Here I label the point that is 0, comma, negative 3. That one, it is 6, comma, 0. Now, move based on that slope. So to do that, I went up the value of 3, and I went across, or my change of x, 6. So my slope becomes 3 over 6, or it becomes 1/2. The y-intercept was here at negative 3, so I write b equals to negative 3. Once I have that, I can then do step 4. Plug the values back into the equation. Y equals mx plus b. The slope is green, the y-intercept is purple. Substitute that in, you get the equation y equals 1/2 x minus 3. Alright, this is number 2. Again, here is our graph. First step is to find the two dots that make up the line. One here at the first intersection, there is at the other intersection. The first one is negative 4, comma, 0, and the second one is 0 and 4. Based on the slope, I find the slope. So what did I do? I went up the value of 4, then I went across 4. So you can write the slope as 4 over 4, which simplifies into 1 over 1. So the slope is m equals to 1 over 1. Find the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis, which is 4. So it becomes b equals to 4. Plug the values back into the equation of y equals mx plus b. You get y equals 1 over 1x plus 4. Sometimes you could see it as y equals 2x plus 4 as well. Let's do number 3. Here's my graph. What do I do first? I will find the two dots that make up the line. The first one's there at the first intersection. The second one there is at the second intersection. Find the first point, that is negative 1, comma, 0, because it is negative 1 in the x direction, 0 in the y direction. Okay. The next one is 0, comma, negative 2, because it is 0 in the x direction and negative 2 in the y direction. Alright, based on the slope, I can find the slope. What did I do? I went down 2, then across 1. So the down 2 is the reason why it is delta y equals to negative 2. And to the right, it's your delta x that is equal to 1. Okay, so your slope is equal to negative 2 over 1. Your y-intercept here is this value of negative 2. So it's b equals to negative 2. Right, b equals to negative 2. Step 4, you plug the values back into the equation of y equals mx plus b. Once you do that, the equation becomes y equals to negative 2 over 1. X minus 2. Okay, good. Last one. Same process. We have a linear equation. We are trying to find the equation. So, step 1. Find the two dots that make up the line. There and there. Now we label the points. The first one, it's negative 3, comma, 0. The other one, it's 0, comma, negative 1. Move based on the slope to find the slope. What did I do? I went down 1 and across 3. Okay, m equals to negative 1 over 3. Find the y-intercept. Where does it cross the y-axis? Here, at negative 1. So, b is equal to negative 1. b equals to negative 1. So, you have the slope and you have the y-intercept. So you plug the values into the equation y equals mx plus b. So y equals to negative 1 over 3x minus, oop, that should be a minus 1. That should be a minus 1. Okay? But there you go. Those are all the solutions. Okay? Alright, there you go. Those should be all the solutions. Remember, it is negative 1, 3x minus 1. Alright, there you go. Those are all your homework solutions.